Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can set background app refresh to Wi-Fi only or both Wi-Fi and cellular data on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now on the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in Settings, go down and tap on General. Then in here, tap on Background App Refresh. Now at the top here, tap on Background App Refresh, and then you can choose either Wi-Fi only, or you could choose Wi-Fi and cellular data. If you choose this option here, your iPhone will attempt to refresh the app's data using Wi-Fi. If Wi-Fi is not available, then it will attempt to use cellular data. And that's it. After, you can tap on the back key to go back to Settings, or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.